Hello, good morning, students. In the last lecture, we had studied about physical properties of alkanes. Today, we will study chemical properties, means reactions of alkanes. We know alkanes are non-polar molecules, therefore they are relatively unreactive towards acids, bases, oxidizing agent and reducing agent, but under specific condition they undergo these following reactions. First reaction of alkane is a halogenation. What is halogenation? The substitution of halogen in alkane, that is called as a halogenation. We know halogens are chlorine, bromine, iodine and fluorine. So if substitution of these halogens take place in alkane, then it is called as halogenation of alkane. In this reaction, an atom or group of atoms in the molecule replaced by other group or atom, then it is called as a substitution reaction. Remember this well, that halogenation is a substitution type of reaction. In this reaction, hydrogen atom of alkane, these are replaced by halogen, that is X group. This X group may be Cl, Br, I or F. This is called as a halogenation. Now this reaction is carried out in the presence of UV light, means ultraviolet light, or it is diffused sunlight, or at higher temperature between 573 to 773 Kelvin. Then it gives the mixture of alkyl halide. So the product obtained in the halogenation of alkane, these are alkyl halides. For example, here we will consider chlorination of methane, means reaction of very simple alkane methane with chlorine. Methane having structural formula CH4, when react with chlorine molecule, that is Cl2, in the presence of UV light or when it is heated, then one of the hydrogen from methane, it is replaced by chlorine, and the remaining chlorine and replace the hydrogen react with each other, gives side product HCl. So the first product obtained here is a chloromethane, commonly called as a methyl chloride, and the second product is hydrogen chloride. This reaction will not stop at this stage, but it is continue till all hydrogen atoms of methane are replaced by chlorine atoms. So in the second step, this chloromethane react with chlorine molecule, again in the presence of UV light or heat, it gives the dichloromethane and HCl as a side product. Then in the third step, this dichloromethane react with one more chlorine molecule in the presence of UV light, and 3 hydrogen atoms of methane are replaced by 3 chlorine. It gives the trichloromethane plus side product HCl. And in the fourth step, this trichloromethane react with one more chlorine molecule in the presence of UV light. It gives tetrachloromethane plus hydrogen chloride. So this is chlorination of methane. So first gives chloromethane, then dichloromethane, then trichloromethane and tetrachloromethane. Meaning is from first step to fourth step, this one hydrogen atom at a time replaced by chlorine, and finally all hydrogen atoms of methane are replaced by chlorine, and gives the product tetrachloromethane. So in this reaction, tetrachloromethane is a major product when excess of chlorine is used. When excess of methane is also used and chlorine is used, the reactivity of halogen in alkane follows the order. It is fluorine is more reactive than chlorine, than bromine, than iodine. Remember this order. On the basis of this order, the question will be asked of multiple choice question. The order of reactivity of halogens is, here the fluorine is more reactive than chlorine, than bromine, than iodine. And the order of reactivity of carbon atoms with halogen is tertiary carbon is more reactive than secondary than primary. This is order of reactivity of carbon atoms. Tertiary carbon more reactive than secondary than primary. Again, remember this order too. On the basis of this, again, multiple choice type of question or answer in one sentence type of question will be asked. Here, if we consider the example of propane, so this propane is 3 carbon containing alkane. When treated with chlorine in the presence of UV light, then here the two possibilities are there. There are two types of carbon atom in propane. The CH3 groups, these are the primary carbon atoms, and CH2 group is a secondary carbon atom. Just now we had studied the reactivity order of primary, secondary and tertiary carbon. Here, as compared to primary carbon, secondary carbon is more reactive, and therefore the replacement of hydrogen atom from secondary carbon atom is greater than that of the primary carbon atom, and hence we get 2-chloropropane as a major product and 1-chloropropane as a minor product. In 1-chloropropane, hydrogen atom from primary carbon atom is substituted, and in 2-chlorobutane, hydrogen atom from secondary carbon is substituted, which get 55% product, that is a major product. So this is the example of this, how the reactivity of tertiary carbon greater than secondary than primary. Here, more examples of this type. This is 2-methyl propane. It is also called as a isobutane. When react with chlorine in the presence of UV light, here the replacement of hydrogen atom from this isobutane or 2-methyl propane take place from primary carbon and tertiary carbon. Here the primary carbon atom replacement is higher percentage than the tertiary one. So we get 1-chloro-2-methyl propane 64% as a major product, and tertiary butyl chloride or 2-chloro-2-methyl propane, it is a 36%. Next example is a bromination. So when ethane, it is a 2 carbon containing alkane, CH3 single bond CH3. When treated with bromine in the presence of UV light, we get bromoethane, that is substitution of hydrogen atom by bromine atom. Of course, here side product is HBr. Next example is here the propane react with bromine in the presence of UV light. As we had studied that primary and secondary carbon atoms present are in propane. the replacement of primary carbon atom give 1 bromopropane and the replacement of secondary carbon atom give 2 bromopropane. Here the major product is obtained by replacement of hydrogen atom from secondary carbon. It gives 97%, that is the major product, as a 2 bromopropane. Next example is a butane. It's a 4 carbon containing alkane. Again, this contains CH3 carbon containing hydrogen as a primary and CH2 carbon as a secondary. So here the replacement of hydrogen from primary carbon, that gives the 1 bromobutane. It is only 2%, but the replacement of secondary hydrogen from secondary carbon take place, and that gives the 2 bromopropane. It is 98% and it is a major product. Similarly, we will study one more example of bromination. Here 2-methyl propane is isobutane when treated with bromine in the presence of UV light. Then it gives 1 bromo 2-methyl butane. It is obtained by replacement of hydrogen atom from primary carbon, and it is very small quantity, only 1% product is obtained. But from the same reactant 2-methyl propane, the replacement of tertiary hydrogen from tertiary carbon take place, and the bromine is substituted at tertiary carbon. We get 2 bromo 2-methyl propane as a major product, and it is 99% product is obtained. So this gives the applications how the reactivity of carbon atom, tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary. In bromination, there is high degree of selectivity to which hydrogen atoms are replaced. Halogenation of alkane follows the free radical mechanism. What is this mechanism of reaction? Mechanism means the detailed study of reaction. It is called as a mechanism. Here, for halogenation, mechanism is free radical type of mechanism. In the free radical mechanism, the bond between halogen atoms break by homolysis, and homolysis means symmetrical breaking of bond, which generates free radical. Free radical means odd electron containing species. The mechanism of first step for the chlorination of methane is given here. Here the chlorine-chlorine single bond breaks symmetrically. The electrons present between chlorine atoms, they are divided equally. 1 electron remain on chlorine, that is called as a chlorine free radical. This step is called as a chain initiation, and that is the first step in the mechanism of free radical. Then this, from the methane molecule, 1 carbon hydrogen bond breaks again homolysis by homolysis and gives methyl free radical and hydrogen radical. This hydrogen radical react with chlorine radical, give HCl molecule. And finally, in the chain propagation step, the CH3 radical means methyl free radical react with 1 more chlorine molecule, gives methyl chloride plus chlorine free radical as a side product. So this is the mechanism of chlorination of methane. And that is about the first reaction of alkane, halogenation. Thank you.